How to download and install Figma on your PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily download and install Figma application on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to any web browser and just search in for Figma app download for PC and just click on first link which appears on the browser, and just wait for a few seconds until it shows up, and just scroll down and you can see there is option to download for different operating system. So based on operating system, simply select one. Since my device is Windows, I'll just select Windows, and as you can see I've already downloaded the setup file. So just open the setup file on your file and simply open up the Figma setup, run the Figma setup file, and it will ask you the command. Simply click on run. So once you do that, you may have to log in with your official Figma account. If you haven't already, you can also sign up. And once you do all of that, you should have successfully created and installed Figma application on the device. Don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. See you on the next one.